Hey everyone, I was doing some Node.js development the other day, and I unfortunately ran into some issues involving incompatible Node versions. I started using this command line tool called NVM, and let's just say it's kind of grown on me. So what exactly is NVM? NVM, or Node Version Manager, is a CLI or command line interface that manages different Node versions. Do not confuse it with NPM or NPX, which are other CLI tools related to Node.js development. But basically, NVM allows you to install different Node versions and switch between those versions for development. Installing it is quite easy, assuming you're using a Unix-based OS with a POSIX-like shell. Instructions are on their GitHub repo. You can copy this line to curl or wget the shell script to install this tool. After that, the script should add some lines to your user profile, and if you type NVM in your terminal, you should see some text printed out. Using NVM is also very simple. The most basic usage is installing a specific version of Node. All you do is type nvm install and the version number you want. In order to use that specific Node version, you type nvm use and the specific Node version number. If you type node -- version, you can see that that's the right version. To prove that it's not the default, I'm going to install another version of Node with nvm and use it like so. So why is this tool useful? If you're using a Unix-based OS, why not just directly download Node and have one version on your OS? One reason could be a developer is maintaining multiple Node projects that uses different versions. Now, this may not apply to people who have one or two projects, but if they have multiple legacy projects that have not updated their Node versions, then this tool is very useful in switching to specific versions, so you could run that legacy code. NVM is also useful in giving developers the autonomy to use a specific version of a node unrestricted. This is especially true if you're working on a shared Linux machine with other developers. Each person who's working on their own Node project may want to use a specific version of Node. In addition to that, as a user of this shared Linux machine, you may not have sudo commands or admin privileges to download app-level packages. And what that means is that you can't download Node the usual way. NVM allows you to specify and use which Node version, and to do so without higher privileges. So the user who does not have admin privileges on a Linux machine can download Node for their user session. How NVM works under the hood is that it installs the Node binaries in this .nvm folder under your home directory. By doing so, the developer can point and use a specific version of Node without infringing the use of Node for other developers. I like to point out that this case is targeted for large organizations where there are many projects being developed at the same time, and there are many users on this shared Linux machine. Alright, there we have it. That was my very quick discussion on NVM. Overall, it's a nice tool to manage Node versions, and I would be definitely using it in future Node development. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.